Strategy is all about focus. Okay? That's where we're going to begin. I'm going to give you a description of strategy, a 10-word description of strategy. But before I give you that 10-word description, I need to give it a little bit of context. Now, some of you were in the room with me 3 months ago, which means that you will remember what I said the 3 goals of management are. So who can remember what the 3 goals of management are? I've got until number 8, 10, 15, so there's no rush. Anybody remember the 3 goals of management?
So I wasn't sure, but I can assume it could have been discipline, focus, and accountability.
Okay, good answer. These are, I say, as the responsibilities of management, the goals of management, goals of you as founders. I'll give you a healthy start. Oh, thank God. Okay, your first responsibility is economic, okay? Otherwise, your business doesn't exist. It's as simple as that. And even if you're running a non-profit, then you're most certainly not operating to make a loss. You still have economic responsibility. Always have economic responsibility, and your responsibility is to profit. Okay, let's not forget that. That's how we pay our staff. That's how we do nice things in the community. Okay, profit is essential. There are 2 remaining goals of management. Does anybody know this? I know I do this, so I always do this. We've got profit.
Product.
Sorry?
What?
Product. Productivity. Excellent. Productivity. And the last one?
We've got an animated part.
I can see you're like an overcharged 2 projects. Hurry. Ready. We've got 2. We've got 2. This one to go. And the last one? It was on the previous slide. Value. Okay. So, as managers, as business owners, we have 3 goals. We have to have profit, otherwise there is no validity in the business. We have to create value for our customers. This is customer value. Profit is value for you or your shareholders or wherever else that goes. This is about customer value. You have to create value for your customers. If you don't, again, you have absolutely no validity. No validity whatsoever. No one will buy your product if you're not creating value for their customers. And that's really going to be our big focus today in developing strategy. Why productivity? Productivity is not efficiency. Efficiency is about using your resources, your inputs cleverly, using less of them, maybe cutting costs. It's not about effectiveness. Effectiveness is about doing the right thing. It's about both of those. It's efficiency and effectiveness. It's doing the right things and it's doing them efficient. If you drive productivity in your business, you deliver 1 or 2 things. By doing things more productively, you either deliver more value to your customers or you deliver more profit back into the business. This is why you have to constantly work at productivity. And although these are the 3 goals of management and the 3 goals for you as entrepreneurs, you can probably get most of your staff to do at least 1 of these things. And that's a good thing. Maybe you can even get your staff to do 2. They may not be that excited about your profitability. But you probably get a lot of your team wrapped up about productivity, which will deliver both of us. And your frontline team, you can definitely get them wrapped up about delivering value to your customers. Profit, productivity, and value. That is our focusing lens for strategy. What we'll do as a business and what we'll do today is take you on a journey where we look first at the context that your business is operating in. We will look very deeply at what the customer is, and we'll be looking at the customer from a point of view of the jobs that they need to get done and the needs that they have. And we'll look at how your product meets those needs, all in the context of the environment that you're operating in. Whether that is, the economy in South Africa, your competitors in your market space, all of these things are context. Cost of your inputs, cost of commodities that you might have to buy, etc., etc. We filter that through the lens of profit, productivity, and value. If you cannot deliver value to your customers profitably, you don't have a business and you don't have a strategy. Out of that, we would build beautiful vision. We would mark out a 3-year strategy. And if we have time, we'll break down some 1-year action tips. So that's my math for the day. We'll take these inputs. We use profit, productivity, and value as a filtering lens, and we will deliver you a 3-year strategy. Now for my 10-word definition of strategy. Strategy is how you deliver value. To your customers or to a customer. How you deliver value to a customer profitably. Strategy is how you deliver value to a customer profitably. It is a how. How you deliver value to your customers profitably. It's not a why, that's purpose. And actually, I'm quite glad for Taryn's presentation because we're not going to cover purpose today. Purpose is a valuable input into the strategic process. It is valuable in your businesses. But I also understand that it can be quite tricky for small businesses and it can take a long time. And it is best done with the involvement of your whole team. So if we get a workshop today on purpose, either back to your business and it won't stick. So purpose is fantastic, but it's very difficult to do in isolation. And if you've got a purpose, then that's fantastic. You can use that as a guidance system as we work through strategy today. But purpose is why. Strategy is how. And this will be Astus.